Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana. I am the HGIC here at Divine Goddess Soaps. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I will be using this male bust mold from Chunkadust. It is one of their bottomless molds, so it is unique to Chunkadust. I absolutely love using that type of mold. It makes it so much easier to unmold them and actually stand them up so you don't end up with any flat spots. The mix I've left uncolored, and it is scented in a rainbow fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. The recipe that I use is the low humidity recipe from Bath Fizz and Foam. I will have a link to that down below. I live in Colorado, so it's very low humidity here most of the time. Although right now it's been raining for like 3 weeks. It feels like, so humidity is a little higher than normal. And you can see here how smoothly those unmold and they're standing straight up. And that's what the front looks like. And as usual, I'll make a few more here, and then we will let those dry for a few days before I paint them. If you haven't already, please go ahead and pamper that like button, show it a little love. I do greatly appreciate it. If you're enjoying my content, please go ahead and also hit that subscribe button. I do upload videos at least every Monday and Thursday. All right, so we've got those all good and dry now, and I'm going to go ahead and airbrush these. This is the Firecracker Mica from Nurture Soap. And this is the Orange Vibrance Mica, also from Nurture. This is Lemon Drop Mica from Nurture. And this is the True Green Mica from TKB Trading. And this is the True Blue Mica from TKB Trading. Sorry about the hand getting in the way there. It's very hard to film at that angle. And this is Purple Vibrance Mica from Nurture Soap. And there's the finished product. You can see the front and the back there. And for my trans flag bust, I'm going in with a mix of winter white and glitter pearl here. This is the Sexy Pink Slippers from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And this is a mix of True Blue mica from TKB Training with the winter white. And as always, please take time to pamper your inner goddess today. Self-care is so important for every her, him, and they, and I'll see you in the next one.